I've been seeing a lot of people doing videos on YouTube saying that you can get premium ChatGPT from the Arena side by side or LM Arena. So today I want to check if it is true. You can see my chat with the direct, I did a direct chat on their GPT 5.2 high. So I said, hello, what can I help you with today? I asked, are you premium GPT? He started telling me lots of stories. Here is what he says. He says, if the review says GPT 5.2 high, that means the model you were chatting with was an OpenAI GPT 5.2 variant in its high setting. A few important clarification is that it's not a subscription tier. High doesn't mean you personally have premium. It's just the model variant Arena routed to you, okay? Or routed you to. High typically indicates a higher capability or higher compute settings, okay? So Arena's labels are the best indicator of what you got. So yes, you were paired with a top tier GPT family model in that session, but that's independent of ChatGPT Plus or paid status. So in as much as this is not a premium GPT like every other person claims, because there is something peculiar with all these GPTs or OpenAIs, the fact that all of them in different websites are not built on the same model is one contrasting factor. The GPT that you will see or you will meet or come across in LM Arena is not the same ChatGPT model that you are chatting with in the direct ChatGPT website. The only way to get ChatGPT Premium for now is to pay for it. I don't think cookies work again on it, but I'll keep on doing my research, and once I get any of them, I'm going to update this video. So for now, this is the only way to get ChatGPT Premium, because this is not premium, but it has the settings to at least get you a closer result to premium results, okay? So but it's not the ChatGPT Premium, please. You can check out our videos on Canva, our videos on Keyboard, and our videos on Grammarly. Also, our videos on Turnitin and other different AIs that you can get for free, and we are talking about getting the premium.